Welcome, Power BI analysts. Well, here is my nice Power BI report. You can see I've published a report to the service and everything is working fine. Here are my slicers. Here are my visuals. I do have 2 pages of visuals in here. Some gauge visuals, average sales by month. Well, what's the use of creating a really nice report unless you can share it? There's a few things that we can do. We can either share it to Teams, we can share it to SharePoint. We can also share it to PowerPoint. In this video, we'll take a look at how we can share this report as a tab to an existing team channel. So here is my team channel. So right now I'm on the post area. Here's the shared area. What I want to do is click on where it says add a tab. Now, if you are a team owner, you automatically have access to add a tab. If you're a team member, you can ask the owner to grant you permission to add a tab. So this is where it comes in. I'll go ahead and click on add a tab. I'll click on apps. And if you don't see Power BI on that list, you can just search for it. So here's Power BI. I'll go ahead and add it here. I'll go ahead and click on add. And this will set up the infrastructure, if you will, to host a Power BI report. I'll go ahead and press save. And here you go. So I have a few things. I can go ahead and link to a report, app, or scorecard. I can paste the link in here, but I find it much more efficient to browse the workspace. I'll go ahead and browse the workspace here. Here is my workspace. I'll go ahead and look for that report. It was called Demo Financial Report. There we go. I'll go ahead and press add. And there you go. So here is my report. So my team members can simply just come into the channel, click on the tab. You can even rename this tab if you want to, but I'm fine. I'll go ahead and leave it here unnamed. So they simply click on the tab and they can interact with the report. Now they can use the slicers. They can filter by each visual. They can even access the different pages of the visual as well. So here are the average sales for November. So that is how we can add a Power BI report to an existing team channel. I hope this was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe.